Many heavy presses have been missed because the barbell was pressed slightly forward instead of vertically up. It is by far the most common mistake that causes the lifter to miss on the press. For all the basic barbell lifts that are done standing, the barbell needs to be traveling in a vertical line directly over your midfoot for maximum efficiency. Any deviation from this relationship will introduce an unnecessary moment force that you, the lifter, needs to overcome, which makes the lift much harder than it needs to be. The press is the lift that has the highest tendency for the bar path to be non-vertical, usually drifting anterior of the midfoot, while at the same time is the most unforgiving to bar path slop. I wrote an article a few months back that talked about why there's a tendency for the bar to be pressed forward on both the bench and the press, and I'll link the article in the show notes below. So to fix this common problem, here are 5 things that you can do to ensure that you have a vertical bar path every time you press. Number 1, get your setup right. Getting your setup right means gripping the bar about shoulder width apart and bringing your elbows to be directly below the barbell. Getting into this position not only ensures that there is zero unnecessary moment force between your elbow joint and the barbell, but it also angles your forearm and points it in the direction that the barbell needs to be traveling in on its way up. As the set goes along, pay attention to bring your elbows back to this exact same position on every single rep, and do not let your elbows drop. The consequence of your elbows dropping means your forearm will start to angle forward, which then increases the probability of you pressing the bar forward. Number 2, press the bar up and back. Tell an uncoached person to press the barbell straight up over their heads, and you'll always end up being pressed forward and locked out anterior of the midfoot. This is because to them, that's what pressing straight up feels like. But actually, pressing the bar vertically up will feel a little like you are both pressing the bar up and back at the same time. So the next time you press, think about shoving the barbell back the moment you start to press. Number 3, brush your fringe with the bar. If just thinking about pressing the bar up and back doesn't work for you, having something to aim the bar towards can help. As you press the bar up, think about trying to brush your fringe with the bar. For the follically challenged, you can think about grazing your forehead or your nose. While you don't want to smack your face with the bar, having something to aim towards can help to keep the bar close to your face and the bar moving in a vertical trajectory. Number 4, press from your elbows. Instead of thinking about pushing the bar up with your hands, imagine that the bar is sitting here above your elbows. And when you start to press the bar up, drive your elbows up and back so that it ends up in a position that's above and behind your ear. Number 5, avoid hitting the rack. Instead of unracking the bar and taking a big step back, set up a lot closer to the rack, just enough so that your bar will not hit the J-hooks. And when you press, think about not letting the bar contact the rack that's in your peripheral vision. So there you have it, 5 ways to help you get a vertical bar path when you press. Happy pressing!